We're going to talk about artificial intelligence in your drive cameras. My name is Flint Holbrook. I'm the president and founder of Truckspy. We're a full suite telematics provider. We offer a drive camera. We're going to talk generally though about AI and drive cameras in this session. So you probably, you might have a drive camera, you might not. A lot of drive cameras on the market are like really good at getting what we call critical events. So hard braking, hard turning, if I slam on the brakes, it records an event, right? I get like 15 seconds behind and 15 seconds in front of the event. That's great if you want to record accidents and near misses. I want to, though, just caution you a little bit about that, because at that point, like, it's kind of already too late, right? Like the driver's had an accident or a near miss. Wouldn't it be like a lot better if we could prevent the accident or the near miss? So that's kind of where artificial intelligence comes in. And just in like the last 4 years, 5 years, there's been absolutely huge movement in artificial intelligence in drive cameras. All right, so artificial intelligence, it's made these huge leaps and bounds in the last 4 to 5 years. It's actually like an effective technology now in drive cameras, which is really exciting. So you can get drive cameras on the market that have this AI built in. So we're thinking, there's a forward-facing and a rear-facing camera. So the camera's actually watching the driver. And the camera has its own onboard processor now. And so it's actually analyzing all the inbound footage, so the forward and the reverse camera. And it's actually watching for bad driving behavior. So I'm going to plug our camera just a little bit. There's others on the market. I think what we sell is the best, otherwise we wouldn't sell it. That camera is actually looking at the road, and so like it's measuring following distance. Like, is this driver's going 60 miles an hour? How far is he behind the vehicle in front of him? And is that a safe following distance? It's looking backwards at the driver, and like if I do a big yawn, it's going to pick that up and say, hey, you got a drowsy driver. If I whip out my phone and start looking at my phone, it's going to say, hey, you got driver distraction. This guy's looking at his phone, right? So these are all behavior things that you're not always going to get on a critical event recorder, right? Like the driver never slammed on the brakes. He never jerked it to the left. But these, all at the same time, these are behaviors that lead to accidents, right? These are leading indicators. Driver's never just driving down the road, he just gets in an accident, right? There's always a root cause. He's looking at his phone, he's drowsy, he's not paying attention to the road, he's following too close, he's speeding. All these things the artificial intelligence can pick up. And I want to just highly recommend, if you don't have artificial intelligence on your cameras and you're really focused on coaching your drivers and helping them avoid accidents, you really should consider artificial intelligence on the cameras. Take a look down below. There's a link where we talk a lot more about specifics about our drive camera and how it gets installed and how it works and all the different alerts that it generates. So again, take a look. That link is below.